Today is a great day as we gather to break ground for this significant project, the Rio Cobre Water Supply System Upgrade. The project involves the design, build, finance, operate, maintain, and transfer of a 15 million imperial gallons daily water treatment plant. And the scope of the works entails the construction of an intake system inclusive of lift pumps, duty and backup pumps, the construction of a conveyance pipeline from river to treatment plant site, the construction of a 15 million gallon capacity treatment plant, and the interconnections to the NWC's distribution network. When the project is complete, we can expect improved water supply and reliability for St. Catherine and the KSA areas, better resilience in the water sector during periods of drought, and improved water supply to facilitate our continued development in the business and residential sectors.
The National Water Commission is constantly seeking new ways to improve and expand its services to the people of Jamaica. And while this project has been long in coming, maybe too long, this public-private partnership arrangement is making this possible and creating the mechanism and the infrastructure for this to go smoothly.
As this project, we've developed it under a unique approach. It's never been done in Jamaica before, whereby the private sector, represented by our partners, Panjam Group, APLI, and along with local and international financing institutions, Sagicor, IDB Invest, and Proparco, have pulled together their resources to finance the design and construction of a potable water treatment plant. The nature of this project, PPP, demonstrates a very close collaboration between public and private sector, whereby each party is assigned the risk it's best able to manage. So I really want to express my gratitude to both private and public shareholders for their continued support and joint collaboration in the development of this project. We believe that this project should be the cornerstone of a new economic model in Jamaica, whereby the government and the private sector, they work hand in hand in developing the country's infrastructure.
The construction of this project is estimated to be completed within 2 years, followed by a 23-year period of operation by the private partners, after which ownership of the plant will be transferred to the NWC. The PPP arrangement may also be renewed for an additional 5 years after the expiration of the initial 23 years. This plant will be the second largest in Jamaica. The project is expected to positively impact over 150,000 NWC customers in the Kingston and St. Andrew metropolitan area, in Portmore, the new parish, and Spanish Town. So if you took all the areas that will benefit, the overall number of beneficiaries would be about 600,000 Jamaicans by this project.
When completed and delivering water to the NWC network will contribute significantly to NWC's achieving its three of the four strategic objectives, and they are improving coverage, revenue and cash flow, increasing operational efficiency, and improving customer service.
This project is therefore one of many solutions being implemented across our island.